Really excited because this is my very first video of my how-to video series. Roros Get More Googly. And I just want to teach you guys how to do some really simple things in your Google accounts. And these are going to be short little how-to videos. And today I'm going to show you how to add an email badge to your email signature like the ones that I have on mine. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to your Gmail account, and I already have mine pulled up. You're going to go to the far right corner and click on this little wheel, and then you're going to click on Settings. This controls everything about your email account. There's lots of little tabs at the top, but right now we're going to do the badge. So just scroll down, and here's my email signature. I'm in the signature section. I already have email badges on mine, so I know where I want to add my next one, and it's going to go at the end of this row. I click at the end of this row, and I'm going to click on Image. I've saved this image already to my desktop, so I'm going to upload it from my computer. It needs to be a PNG or a JPEG, or it won't work. Click on the image. Mine is a PNG. PNG means that the background is not going, it's going to be transparent. You can click Open. Wait for it. And it's right here. So I'm going to make this small so that it fits in line with all of these. All of these are small. Or you can make it giant, or you can make it medium. But I want mine to be small. And it's really just that simple. You're going to scroll all the way back down to the bottom, click Save Changes. It's going to load, and then you're going to make sure that it's there. So hit Compose like you're going to send an email, and it's right there. I bet if this box was bigger, or when I send an email, it will be on the end of this row. So I hope that helps everybody add cute little badges to their email signature. Thanks.